Jeremiah chapter 1, Jeremiah chapter 1, verse 5 to 10. Chapter 1, verse 4 to 10. Jeremiah chapter 1, verse 4 to 10. Ato nini basahon responsive reading. I will read verse 4, kamit verse 5, hangtod makabot kita in verse 10. Ato nini durunganon pagbasa. Okay, in verse 4, nasin dito, then the word of the Lord came unto me, saying,
Before I formed thee in the belly, I knew thee, and before thou camest out of the womb, I sanctified thee, and I ordained thee a prophet unto the nations.
Then said I, Lord God, behold, I cannot speak, for I am a child.
But the Lord said unto me, Say not, I am a child,
For thou shalt go to all that I shall send thee, and
whatsoever I command thee, thou shalt speak.
Be not afraid of their faces, for I am with thee to deliver thee, saith the Lord.
Then the Lord put forth his hand, and touched my mouth. And the Lord said unto me, Behold,
I have put my words in thy mouth.
In verse 10, in verse 10, read.
Say,
I have this day set thee over the nations, and over the kingdoms, to root out and to pull down, to destroy and to pull down, to build and to plant. And Diyos, it magpanalay natin gibasa.